So, this is the look from Nikita. You've seen it in the video. And I'm using very similar products, not exactly the same. We obviously have very different face and eye shape, so I am adapting that makeup to my face. They done our brows so close, and I tried to do that, and I don't think it looked good at all, so I kept my natural brow. I'm using today the Danessa Myricks Romance palette. It's such a beautiful palette. I love the shades and it actually matches what they used there. I am defining my crease with peachy shades and using an eye pencil by Makeup Forever. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. I'm kind of like mapping my eyes out and I'll finish it up later with some eyeshadow. But so this part can be a little messy. This is Nikita now judging me, looking at me sideways. I'm trying to create the same effect on my eyes. I love the eye shape Ariel created, it's so beautiful. It won't look the same on me, obviously, but I can create the same visual. So I'm redefining my crease. You can always gradually add eyeshadow. I clean up with a Q-tip for a better angle. They created a much more angular liner. I didn't go too big on it. I'm cleaning up. I'm using actually the Makeup by Ariel brushes. They're so good. And this step took me forever. It took me at least like 20 minutes. Thank God for editing. That would be really boring if I had the entire process of me trying to design this part. It took me forever. And I bet it took them at least, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours to finish our look. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to record these videos. I think I'm gonna start doing a voiceover while I record the makeup tutorial. I think it's gonna be cool as well, but the more I do, the more I practice. I think this YouTube journey is really fun and creative for me, so I'm just kind of exercising my editing muscle that I used to have 10 years ago. I'm just getting back to it right now. Using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil only on the outer part of my eyes. Then I'm gonna start color correcting. I'm applying the orange on my beard area, on the mustache, little lilac. That's lilac underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use this super boost skin tint by Makeup Forever. So I've been liking a much lighter coverage foundation lately, but I used to be a full coverage person, but now I'm all about the natural skin because I improved my skin so much in this past 3 years. I blend it with my fingers, but then I go with a beauty blender as well, just to set it up. Gives it such a beautiful finish. Using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is a medium coverage concealer. I'm not loving the full coverage lately. I'm using a brush, a concealer brush by Sephora. And then with the beauty blender again. This is bronzer by Nude Sticks. Using the Makeup by Ariel brush as well. I am being a little too rough here, don't be super rough. Using the NARS blush in the shade Amour. And the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder blurs your pores. It is incredible, you see the difference. It is crazy. It's the first time I'm using this powder. I love Laura Mercier, I've been using it for years, but this formula is brand new. It is light reflective and it really blurs your skin. Look at that, look at the difference. And you set their face, your entire face. I love baking as well. This defines my jawline and my bone structure. I'm using this Sephora triangle sponge for that, and my beauty blender as well. Now my nose contour, I rarely contour my nose lately, but Nikita contours her nose, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm using this old ass brush I had for 10 plus years. It's never leaving my kit. For photos, it's important to contour if you're taking flash pictures or a photo shoot. Normally I would not do this step. And they pinched her nose so tiny. I feel like if I do that, I'm gonna look like Michael Jackson. Nothing against him at all, but like I feel like I don't want my nose to look that skinny. Using the Danessa Myricks Blooming Romance palette underneath my eyes as well. It's like a peachy shade. And a little bit of contour as well. Like a grayer undertone. That helps to give the eyes a little more dimension. Using the Makeup by Ariel brushes. Bottom lashes. Still a dual-ended waterproof liquid liner. This is really waterproof. I love this liner. It's my first time using it and I am obsessed. And it's dual-ended, so it has a much thinner application tip. It looks like a doll eye when I do the white eyeliner on my waterline, and then I line it with the liner. It looks very dolly. I like that effect. And I'm lining my eyes as well. So they did it much bigger. I didn't go too extreme with that. Again, I'm adapting that makeup to my face. I think it works better for my face. You can't forget the inner corner. This makes a huge difference. Next, lashes. I'm gonna do them off camera. And I'm back like 2 hours later. I'm using the Patrick Ta eyebrow gel. They didn't use that, I don't think. But I think this makes my eyes much more polished, I guess. So I'm doing that. A little fluffy brow. With a little bit of concealer, I conceal the brow and the eyeshadow. And then come back with my Anastasia Brow Wiz to redefine my brows. Doing a little touch up with concealer. Touch up on my eyes as well. Using the Makeup Forever blurring powder. NARS bronzer. Laguna. I'm being way too rough. And I would not do that on a client. So I like doing the baking as well. This makes a lot of difference. Defining your cheekbones for pictures. Using the One Size lip liner out of line. And the Rare Beauty Luminizer for that glass skin look. I've been using this luminizer a lot. I really like it. Matches my nails, kinda. And in blend. More touch-ups on my eyes with the liner. Concealing with a little bit of concealer to redefine that line and clean up a little bit. Using the NARS gloss in Orgasm. I don't know what gloss they used, but just a little glossy lip. not a wig person. I never wore wigs. It's not my specialty. I'm just using this for the tutorial and for the video. So if I wanted to use this wig outside, I would have to do what Nikita did, which is braiding and the wig cap and gluing and everything. So I'm not gonna do that because I am not a wig master or a hairstylist on that level. So I'm just placing the wig like an amateur that I am, because I am. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to fix it up a little bit. Obviously, she used a platinum blonde. I went with a much safer choice for me, which is the darker root, and I think it looks really good. Touching it up a little bit. And that's it. This is my catfish Nikita Dragon makeup by Ariel attempt. Obviously his look is way better and more polished, but this is my first attempt on this look and I think it looks kind of cute. She's judging me now. But I do like it. I just didn't choose that type of wig because I cannot install one. It was really fun doing blonde for a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I had a great time recreating this. Thank you Nikita Dragon and makeup by Ariel. You guys killed it on this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love if you subscribe to my channel and give it a like. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.